Don't forget that sometimes it is difficult to find the clipping plane. So you can always either left click or right click to find a clipping plane on that viewport. So let me right click and there we find it. Notice that if I drag, I am clipping all my objects. How about if instead of saying all, I would select include and I would select the objects that I want. For example, this one, I do not want this one, and I do not want that one. So only those two. Press enter. And now if I drag my clipping plane, only those two objects get clip. So one more time, it is right here. And you can play and use exclude selected, which is really nice to understand.